Guys, welcome to Friday. All right, just quickly headlines and a little bit of fundamentals affecting the markets. US stocks opened higher today after the October labor market revealed more job gains than what we had expected. All right. And on top of that, we had the strongest wage growth in almost a decade. So, pretty good for the US dollar. Canadian dollar dropped off, on the other hand, after disappointing job reports. Okay, so the figures that came out there were not that great, or at least worse than what we had expected. Okay, so as I mentioned just now, US wage growth picked up quite substantially. It's actually reached its highest pace since 2009. That's pretty good, guys. The US wage growth jumped in October to its highest rate in almost a decade, while the pace of hiring rebounded, according to the data released today that highlighted the strength of America's jobs market. Okay, very, very interesting. And then lastly, the pound is holding strong, all right, on that $1.30 mark. Okay, that $1.30 mark. Let's see what happens. Brexit negotiations are still, in process. So this level may break. I don't know what my projection is, medium to long term, but I kind of feeling bearish. I try not to, marry a speculative position. I like to be flexible so that I'm able to avoid any psychological bias. But, having said that, I still am quite bearish on the pound. I'm waiting for a short entry. Let's see what happens there. UK construction activity brightens in October. All right, so this is UK construction PMI figures. Britain's construction activity picked up in October, lifted by higher civil engineering work, but concerns for the future activity remain amid slower new orders growth and confidence dipping to a near 6-year low. All right, guys, and Italian manufacturing sector slips into contraction according to the PMI survey. All right, Italian manufacturers have reported the first contraction in the sector since 2016, according to the IHS market survey, in the latest sign of a broader slowdown in the Italian economy. All right, guys, so that will be affecting the euro there. All right, police launched a criminal probe into Labour anti-Semitism allegations. This is interesting. The Metropolitan Police has launched a criminal investigation into the allegations of anti-Semitic hate crimes within the Labour Party. All right, this is obviously the UK's main opposition party, so very important news there. Okay, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you're all having a fabulous day.